everyone, it's Miss Ha, and I'm on a nature walk. And I came across the most epic rocks. And maybe you remember learning about rocks, some mountains being our biggest rocks, and then boulders, cobbles, pebbles. There's all different kinds of rocks here, and do you remember how they break down and how they get smaller and change shape and texture? That's right, weathering. That's when two rocks rub together or different types of weather helps it break down. But observe all the growth on the rocks all around. Never really imagined all that would be there. See you soon.